Hello my friends, in today's episode on Just Cameras, today we will be doing a little video thingy-majig. We will be comparing the photo quality. Can you tell the difference? Let me know in the description below. Which photos do you think are on the R6 Mark II with the 25-105 f4 lens? And which of them are on the Olympus TG-7 with a about 24-105, about f4 lens as well. It's I think 4.5, f4.5 at 105 setting. It will be a little brighter on the lower ones. But I tried to take the same exact photos with both cameras. A little pocketable compact camera with a tiny 1x2.3 inch sensor and a full frame equivalent of the 24-70 lens. The lens itself is bigger than the tiny camera. So I will show you the photos in the slideshow form. You could pause the video or just continue watching. It will be about 10 seconds for each photo before it tells you what camera was used above the photo. So let's see how you do. So my friends, how did you do? How many times did you guess correctly? How many times were you surprised by the answer? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you like this type of videos, please remember to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any amazing content. Thank you my friends, and see you in the next episode.